हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू हिंदी टू इंग्लिश कनेक्ट। आज हम सीखेंगे कुछ नए बहुत ही यूज़फुल डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। आइए शुरू करते हैं। तुम्हें यह कैसे पता? हाउ डिड यू नो दैट? हाउ डिड यू नो दैट? तुम मुझसे क्यों बच रहे हो? वाई आर यू अवॉइडिंग मी? वाई आर यू अवॉइडिंग मी? दरवाज़ा खुला किसने छोड़ा? Who left the door open? Who left the door open? मैं इसे कहाँ रखूँ? Where should I put this? या फिर हम कह सकते हैं Where should I keep this? क्या मैं तुम्हारे पास बैठूँ? Can I sit beside you? Can I sit beside you? क्या तुम्हें कुछ मदद चाहिए? Do you need some help? Do you need some help? क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Does this belong to you? Does this belong to you? क्या उसने आज तुम्हें बुलाया? Did she call you today? Did she call you today? क्या आप बाहर इंतज़ार करेंगे? Would you wait outside please? Would you wait outside please? क्या आप थोड़ा धीरे बोलेंगे? Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? क्या तुमने मेरी चाबियाँ देखी? Have you seen my keys? Have you seen my keys? क्या वे हमारे साथ आ रहे हैं? Are they coming with us? Are they coming with us? अगला सेंटेंस, क्या आज कुछ परेशान कर रहा है? Is something bothering you today? Is something bothering you today? क्या वह आज सुबह यहाँ था? Was he here this morning? Was he here this morning? क्या तुम बाद में हमारे साथ आओगे? Will you join us later? Will you join us later? क्या मैं कुछ और लाऊं? Should I bring anything else? Should I bring anything else? क्या मैं तुम्हारा पेन ले सकता हूँ? May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen? बाकी पैसे अपने पास रखो। प्लीज़ कीप द चेंज। प्लीज़ कीप द चेंज। अपना छाता मत भूलना। डोंट फॉरगेट योर अम्ब्रेला। डोंट फॉरगेट योर अम्ब्रेला। फिर कभी ऐसे मत बोलना। नेवर स्पीक लाइक दैट अगेन। नेवर स्पीक लाइक दैट अगेन। बस मुझे साफ साफ बताओ। जस्ट टेल मी क्लियरली। Just tell me clearly. कृपया मेरी बात मत काटो। Please don't interrupt me. Please don't interrupt me. चलो इसे साथ में पूरा करें। Let's finish this together. Let's finish this together. हम कल बात कर सकते हैं। We can talk tomorrow. We can talk tomorrow. मुझे एक छोटी मदद चाहिए। I need a small favor. I need a small favor. मुझे कुछ कहना है। I have something to say. I have something to say. मुझे आज इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect this today. I didn't expect this today. मैंने अभी फैसला नहीं किया। I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet. मैं तुम्हें 2 बार बता चुका हूँ। I already told you twice. I already told you twice. यह बेहतर लग रहा है। That sounds much better. That sounds much better. यह बात समझ में नहीं आती। That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. यह तुम्हारा बैग नहीं है। This is not your bag. This is not your bag. यह जगह जानी पहचानी लगती है। This place looks familiar. This place looks familiar. यहाँ कुछ गलत लग रहा है। Something feels wrong here. Something feels wrong here. हमारे बीच कुछ नहीं हुआ। Nothing happened between us. Nothing happened between us. सब बाहर इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. Everyone is waiting outside. Everyone is waiting outside. किसी को जवाब नहीं पता. Nobody knows the answer. Nobody knows the answer. किसी ने तुम्हें पहले फ़ोन किया. Someone called you earlier. Someone called you earlier. शायद हमें अब चलना चाहिए. Maybe we should leave. Maybe we should leave. शायद वह फिर भूल गया. Perhaps he forgot again. Perhaps he forgot again. कृपया मुझे एक पल दे. Please give me a moment. Please give me a moment. कृपया थोड़ा पीछे हटो. Please move a little back. Please move a little back. कृपया खिड़की खुली रहने दो. Please leave the window open. Please leave the window open. कृपया आवाज़ थोड़ी कम करो. Please turn the volume down. Please turn the volume down. कृपया फ़ोन एक तरफ रखो. Please keep your phone away. Please keep your phone away. वही गलती फिर मत करना. Don't make the same mistake. Don't make the same mistake. ज़्यादा समय मत लगाना. Don't take too much time. Don't take too much time. दरवाजे के पास मत खड़े हो. Don't stand near the door. Don't stand near the door. अपना बैग यहाँ मत छोड़ो. Don't leave your bag here. Don't leave your bag here. कल की चिंता मत करो. Don't worry about tomorrow. Don't worry about tomorrow. सब क्यों हंस रहे हैं? Why is everyone laughing? Why is everyone laughing? वह जल्दी क्यों चली गई? Why did she leave early? Why did she leave early? वह परेशान क्यों लग रहा है? Why does he look upset? Why does he look upset? वे बाहर क्यों इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं? Why are they waiting outside? Why are they waiting outside? मैं उस पर क्यों विश्वास करूं? Why should I believe him? Why should I believe him? हम किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? तुमने आखिर क्या फैसला किया? What did you decide finally? What did you decide finally? आज मुझे क्या पहनना चाहिए? What should I wear today? What should I wear today? तुमने योजना क्यों बदल दी? What made you change plans? What made you change plans? तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए? What else do you need? What else do you need? मैं इसे कहाँ चार्ज करूँ? Where can I charge this? Where can I charge this? सब लोग कहाँ चले गए? Where did everyone go? Where did everyone go? हम कल कहाँ मिले? Where should we meet tomorrow? Where should we meet tomorrow? यह सड़क कहाँ जाती है? Where does this road lead? Where does this road lead? तुम कल रात कहाँ थे? Where were you last night? Where were you last night? वे वापस कब आ रहे हैं? When are they coming back? When are they coming back? तुमने आखिरी बार कब फ़ोन किया? When did you last call? When did you last call? मुझे यह कब भेजना चाहिए? When should I send this? When should I send this? तुम्हारी क्लास कब शुरू होती है? When does your class start? When does your class start? रात का खाना कब तैयार होगा? When will dinner be ready? When will dinner be ready? तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कौन कर रहा है? Who is waiting for you? Who is waiting for you? मेरा चार्जर किसने लिया? Who took my charger? Who took my चार्जर। इस सवाल का जवाब कौन देगा? Who can answer this question? Who can answer this question? तुम्हें आने को किसने कहा? Who asked you to come? Who asked you to come? वह किसके साथ काम करती है? Who does she work with? Who does she work with? घर पर सब कैसे हैं? How are things at home? How are things at home? तुमने मुझे कैसे ढूंढा? How did you find me? How did you find me? मैं तुम्हारी मदद कैसे करूं? How can I help you? How can I help you? कितना समय बाकी है? How much time remains? How much time remains? तुम कितनी बार यात्रा करते हो? How often do you travel? How often do you travel? क्या तुम्हें कॉफ़ी चाहिए? Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? क्या उन्हें इसके बारे में पता है? Do they know about this? Do they know about this? क्या हमारे पास पर्याप्त समय है? Do we have enough time? Do we have enough time? क्या मुझे इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा? Do I need to wait? Do I need to wait? क्या तुम्हें वह जगह याद है? Do you remember that place? Do you remember that place? क्या उसे तुम्हारा नाम पता है? Does she know your name? Does she know your name? क्या वह यहाँ अक्सर आता है? Does he come here often? Does he come here often? क्या यह बस वहाँ रुकती है? Does this bus stop there? Does this bus stop there? क्या तुम्हारा भाई पास में रहता है? Does your brother live nearby? Does your brother live nearby? क्या अब यह सच में ज़रूरी है? Does it really matter now? Does it really matter now? क्या तुम पर्याप्त पैसे लाए? Did you bring enough money? Did you bring enough money? क्या उसने तुम्हारा मैसेज का जवाब दिया? Did he answer your message? क्या वे सुरक्षित घर पहुँचे? Did they reach home safely? Did they reach home safely? क्या तुमने कुछ अजीब देखा? Did you notice anything strange? Did you notice anything strange? क्या उसने तुम्हें सब बताया? Did she tell you everything? Did she tell you everything? क्या हम वहाँ बैठ सकते हैं? Can we sit over there? Can we sit over there? क्या तुम 1 मिनट और रुकोगे? Can you wait another minute? Can you wait another minute? क्या मैं एक सवाल पूछूं? Can I ask a question? या फिर Can I ask one question? क्या वे आज इसे पूरा करेंगे? Can they finish this today? Can they finish this today? क्या तुम वह डिब्बा खोलोगे? Can you open that box? Can you open that box? क्या मैं तुम्हारा फ़ोन इस्तेमाल करूं? Could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? क्या तुम इसे पकड़ सकते हो? Could you please hold this? या फिर could you hold this please? क्या हम खाने के बाद मिलें? Could we meet after lunch? Could we meet after lunch? क्या तुम लोकेशन भेज सकते हो? Could you send the location? Could you send the location? क्या वह हमारे साथ आ सकती है? Could she come with us? Could she come with us? क्या आप बैठना चाहेंगे? Would you like to sit? Would you like to sit? क्या आप मुझे सच बताएंगे? Would you tell me honestly? Would you tell me honestly? क्या वे इसके लिए मानेंगे? Would they agree to this? Would they agree to this? क्या आप थोड़ा पहले आएंगे? Would you come a bit earlier? Would you come a bit earlier? आज के लिए बस इतना ही. जल्द ही मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो के साथ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड थैंक्स फॉर ऑल योर सपोर्ट. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.